Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vincent Ryan Boris and I'm very excited to share to you guys the Yamaha Stagepas 400BT being used for an acoustic guitar, for an electroacoustic guitar. I don't normally play my acoustic guitar, but there was one party that we played and I used my Fender DG60CE and it sounded great on this Yamaha Stagepas 400BT. So I was really surprised and amazed. So I'll be sharing to you guys the settings that I did with this Stagepas 400BT. So let's check it out. Hello guys, so this is my setup, Stagepas 400BT, and then my acoustic guitar is plugged in here, then mono out going to my Focusrite iTrack pocket, and it goes here, goes to this app. So that's our setup today. Right, for the settings I'll explain it to you. So here's our settings. You can hear the fan of this one, but just ignore that. So as I've said, we're connected on this channel number 4 because that's the one with high Z, so that's on. And then I just put it on flat EQ, so high in the middle, low as well in the middle, so both are on 12 o'clock. Reverb is like 1, 2, 3. It's on 3, the reverb. Here we need to turn this on, so reverb on, and it's on whole, and it's almost at the top end. And this one is on number 2, or it's on 9 o'clock if you look at the arrow. So it's on number 2 here. And I connected this one, as I said earlier, monitor, so it's being controlled by this monitor output. Send it to my Focusrite iTrack pocket, going to the iPad. So that's our setup. It's just that I'd like to share this. If you're an acoustic player, this piece of kit is really good. Your acoustic guitar sounded really great when you put the reverb on and it's on whole, and you turn the high Z there, and your reverb depends on how you like the reverb, if it's wet or dry. I like it just a tiny bit, not too much reverb. So yeah, this Stagepas is really great. Thanks for watching guys, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell. See you later. Bye.